Let's explore the prompt template that supports the reuse of high-quality prompts in various ways using special symbols for optional parameters. In other words, a prompt template can be described as a pre-written prompt text with placeholders for specific information. Let's look at an actual example of a prompt template. I want to estimate a customer persona. So our previous prompts were constructed like, please provide detailed information about the business model canvas in the business solution field, including key features and benefits, successful implementation cases, or examples. When structured this way, it is easy to understand but very difficult to reuse. But let's look at the second one. Please provide detailed information about the industry of reference model, including key features and benefits, successful implementation cases, or examples. Now, the industry and reference model have applied optional parameters. And if you provide user input called Marketing Platform and Business Model Canvas, the Creation AI can enter the industry optional parameter as a marketing platform and re-enter the word Business Model Canvas to get meaningful Q&A results. In fact, let's look at this case. Let's try to get detailed information about the industry field, i.e. the marketing platform's reference model, the McKinsey 7S framework, including key features and benefits, successful implementation, or examples. When accessing Chatgpt, let's enter the prompt as follows. Please provide detailed information about industry of reference model, including key features and benefits, successful implementation cases, or examples, and provide marketing platform McKinsey 7S framework. This industry item and this reference model item were provided as optional parameters in brackets. Then, based on context, the user input provided afterward is automatically assigned. Now, let's hit enter. With the industry marketing platform reference model, as you see now, the McKinsey 7S framework is a management model used in the business and management consulting industry. And detailed contents of applying the McKinsey 7S framework will come out. In this way, constructing prompts with reuse in mind using optional parameters, such a thing is referred to as a prompt template.